So the Nintendo Wii U is suffering some serious issues. The Wii U is bricking, basically not working anymore after the Smash Brothers Wii U data is basically, there's an error. There's a serious, not just game-killing error, but a system-killing error. This is about as bad as something like the Red Ring of Death on the 360. And the Wii U is suffering it. Here we are, 2 years into the Wii U's lifespan, and this system, people are discovering problem after problem with the Wii U. It's, it's falling behind in terms of sales. It's in last place compared to the Xbox One and the PS4 in terms of sales. And now it's got this error code. It's becoming more prominent, especially with the Smash Bros. Wii U game. Now, this error, I should say, it's not a new thing. It's been around, and people have discovered it before. But because more people are actually playing the Wii U because of Smash Bros, and people are jumping on the Smash Bros bandwagon, typical of these bandwagoners. But now we got this error code, which is basically 160-0103. That's 160-0103, and that's the error code. And what happens basically is you get a message, right? The system, the Wii U, refuses to play Super Smash Bros. With the console giving the error code, so the number 160 whatever dash, and then it shows you the message, there is a problem with the system memory. For help, make a note of the error code and visit support.nintendo.com. The damage caused by this appears to vary. Some claim that they're no longer able to play Smash Brothers, while others say that the system is now inoperable. So they basically can't work the system anymore. Oh my god, the system is inoperable. It appears that the error, which is associated with corrupted data, leads to brick systems if people format their console after the problem occurs. So if people format the console after they get the problem, this particular error, users are strongly advised to not format their Wii U if they experience the same problem. So I guess, if you get this particular error, don't format it. Don't do anything that will destroy the Wii U. But how can these people know? If you got a Wii U, you're a Wii U owner, you're trying to play Smash Bros, can't play it, something happens with the memory, something gets corrupted, and then you try to format it afterwards, and in hopes that, well, maybe this could work, maybe this is a solution. It's happening, it ends up destroying your ability to play it, and even worse, maybe even your ability to actually use the Wii U, and brick the Wii U altogether. Now, how sad is that? That's a serious major problem. Now, granted, it's not a common problem. It's a small percentage of the Wii U owners that are experiencing this right now. Error codes 160-0103, and there's another one with 60-1710. 60-1710 that could affect the ability of the system to function properly, and Nintendo is apparently investigating the issue right now, and they even have a contact center. They got a phone number in there. And apparently, this problem is actually not even... It's not caused by Smash Bros. I mentioned before that it's because of other... Basically, certain games. Certain games will cause this. Other games that have had this problem as well, the 160 error code, is supposedly other games like Scribblenauts, COD Black Ops 2, Arkham Origins, Mario 3D World, Smash Bros. U, Mario Kart 8, Hyrule Warriors, and Wind Waker HD. If that's the case, that's a lot of different games. That's a variety of different games from different developers. So obviously something's going on here. If this is in fact true, this is just somebody from Reddit, apparently. Some Reddit user posted these games. But if that's the case, it looks like these are very popular games on the console, and these appear to be the most common titles that people play. Look at Wind Waker HD, fucking Hyrule Warriors, Mario Kart 8, which is a big one, Mario Bros. U, 3D World. I mean, those are the fucking like exclusives. And then we got the third-party exclusive, third-party games as well, the multi-plats, Arkham Origins, Black Ops 2. You know, so I mean, you got a variety of different games. This error code will definitely damage and further destroy the Wii U's reputation, guaranteed for sure. And it's an error that has to be talked about. It's got to be spoken about. We got to talk about this. It needs more exposure. These kind of stories from Nintendo, their system fucking up, their system is not perfect. The Wii U, far from a perfect system. I mean, it had so many problems when it first came out. Things were slow, you know, it wasn't a perfect system. But now, this error after Smash Bros. The data is corrupted. I mean, this definitely buries the Wii U totally. I mean, this makes it even more, makes it less appealing, more of a red flag system, where people are like, oh man, well fuck the Wii U then, you know, it's like, why even get it if it can, there's a chance of it bricking just trying to play Smash Brothers. I mean, that's really sad. Hopefully this gets fixed, you know, some kind of, I mean, I don't know what Nintendo is going to do about this. They're investigating it. What are they going to do to compensate the people that bought the Wii U, that actually face this problem? I mean, are they going to replace, you know, the system? Are they going to offer some kind of refund? What are they going to do? There has to be something done. Like, if the system is bricked, what can they do to actually help these people? And Nintendo has to. Because you release a system that's basically screwed up. You know, it's got these problems, these issues. Nintendo has to do something, and they can't just, you know, sit on their behinds and just expect the problem to go away. Because if it's happening to games like Smash Bros., chances are it's going to happen even more with other games that comes out for the Wii U. You know, depending on whatever kind of game it is, it's going to be pretty sad. It's going to be fucking sad, actually. But that's it for this particular little episode, and until next time, this is Review Space. Ciao. Thanks for watching The Review Space, the most underrated channel on YouTube. For more videos, check out youtube.com/TheReviewSpace.